Mobile and bank transactions in Kenya are likely to go up at least 5% if the Finance Bill 2024 is signed into law in its current form. According to the Finance Bill 2024, measures to fund the budget for the financial year starting July 1st shows that the Kenya Kwanza government is proposing a total overhaul of tax relief on transactions introduced in 2022.
Nowadays, you need to log into eCitizen to even pay your taxes. Even with the introduction of e-Teams, they also provided a platform on eCitizen where you can issue your invoice. As much as you're saying then that you need to issue e-Teams invoices even through eCitizen, then you need to have access to the platforms that allow you to access eCitizen, and data is one of the key items that you need to be able to access these services. So what we are saying is increasing the cost on internet and data services, then we'll have a ripple effect.
With the additional VAT coming through, the commission expense to Safaricom, and Safaricom not being able to claim the input VAT because the product that is supported is exempt, it means that the person who will ultimately then bear the cost of this VAT will be you and I, the customers who use m-pesa. What then this means is that for all Kenyans who use this product, and maybe I could just explain that we have about 33 million customers who are 90-day active m-pesa customers. This will be an additional cost to them.
Kenya has achieved financial inclusion. It is because of m-pesa. And this is because those who have traditionally been unbanked or underbanked are now able to access the financial ecosystem through mobile money, and more specifically through m-pesa. And so if the cost goes up in the manner in which I have explained, then what's going to happen is we're going to have a scenario where there are certain, people will actually reduce their transactions.
Excise duty on bank transactions have been reverted to 20% from 15%, while those on mobile phone transactions like m-pesa revised to 12% from 15% have been pushed to 20%. This means telcos are likely to raise transfer and withdrawal charges to cover the additional tax burden. These proposed changes has raised concerns among Kenyans as the ones who will bear the excessively charged cost. Reporting for TAS TV, Judith Mombua.